So to get started to customizing your watch face on the Garmin 245 or Garmin 55, 45 and stuff like that, you got to go to the home page, you got to go to the Bluetooth and connect it so you can actually talk to the watch. So there are two different types of watch faces. There's ones that are pre-built and that come with the watch and you can actually customize them on here, but all the other ones that you can download from the store, it won't let you actually customize. You can only apply it here and customize it on the phone. So for example, if you go to the watch faces, this is one of the watch faces right here. All of these watch faces starting from the top are the ones that are pre-built and come on the watch, and you can customize it on here. And then starting this watch is the one that I downloaded, and these are the ones you can only apply based on the settings that you saved on the phone. So for example, if I wanted to customize something that's pre-built, you would hold this button, it would ask you, do you want to apply it the way it is, or you want to customize it? If you want to customize, you click down, click customize, you can change the dials, the hands. Let's say you want to change the accent color, and it'll show you the different colors. You can see it's turning green, orange around the sides, so on. And then you click accent color, and then you click apply, and done. So now you see it changed a little bit. So now let me show you how you can do this on the Garmin Connect IQ app that you need to install, where you can customize and download new watch faces to customize your watch. So if you want to customize it on your watch, you have to download this Garmin Connect IQ app, which is different from the Garmin Connect where all your runs and activities are. This is actually the app store. So once you go into the app store, you'll have 4 buttons on the bottom. It's IQ Store, Search, Faceit, and My Device. There's a few ways you can actually add new watch faces. So basically, if you go to the IQ Store, they have watch faces, apps like Spotify, Deezer, everything stuff like that. So you can either look by trending apps, you can look for analog watches, digital watches. You can even go and say, I want a cat watch. Let's say you look for cat watch, it pops up, you click install, and it's going to install. So once that installs, it will be part of your watch faces devices. So when you go to My Watch Faces on the bottom, you have all these watch faces that are currently installed, and these are the ones I used to have installed. So here we go, we got the watch face installed. So now if we wanted to customize it, we go to settings, and now this is one of the watch faces that you can actually pick on your watch once it's customized. So right now the background is black, but let's say we wanted to do a white background, or we wanted a 24 military format. And we wanted to show the day, or we want to show the heart rate. And this are the things that change, and you can see, and you got to save up top, and you can see the change. Also, another cool thing, let's say you have a kid or favorite artist or family picture that you want to add. So you can actually make the background of a watch a different face of it. So if you click this Faceit button, you can add a new watch face. Let's say we click, I want to take a picture of something and make it in my background. So let's say I want to make a Garmin background out of a Garmin background, and I take a picture. So now it's going to allow me to select it, and now I can actually make a watch face of my Garmin on a Garmin, which should be very funny, right? And then you can kind of customize what you want it to look like, change the colors of the watches and stuff like that. So you could do this like by putting a photo in the background of whoever you want it to be, or mountain, whatever you prefer. So just another example of the watch faces. Every watch face is different, and every watch face might have few to many different configurations. So for example, if you go to this watch face, you get a slew of configurations that you can choose from, which could be kind of a lot. So all these different things that you can choose. You can change the hour color, the background color, the minute color, the text color. So you can get very into detail of how you want to watch. I prefer the simpler watches where there's only a couple settings to make them simplistic and stuff like that. But now let's go back to one of the watches that I showed you can change. So we can change this organic one. Currently right now it's set to blue, but we're going to change it to a different color. We'll change it to red so you can see a difference, and then you can also see what it looks like with the cat face. So here's the watch face that we downloaded as a cat. Kind of looks a little different from the picture, so maybe something's off with the watch face that you downloaded. But now let's go look at the one that I changed. So if we click this button and click watch face, we can go to the one that I changed to red color. and now it's currently set to red. So now we apply it, and there we go. Now you have a red color, this fancy flowery like. So this is very easy how you can do the watch faces, and there's many from them to choose. So I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below and stay tuned for more videos, and hit that subscribe button to help out the channel. Thank you guys, and thank you for watching.